What's up? You looking for a good, honest review of Builderall? Well, that's exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. And this is particularly for beginners in affiliate marketing that are looking at the platform but are confused about what it is. Here's my honest review. Stay tuned. What's up, guys? Today I'm going to give an honest review of Builderall. Is it worth it? Are you getting what people are saying? This is my honest opinion and honest review, particularly for those that are beginning in the affiliate marketing niche that just have so much overwhelming information. This is just going to break it down simple for you. But before we get started, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Hit that subscribe button. If you're not new to my channel, welcome back. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Give me a like. Give me some comments. Let me know what you like, what you don't like, would like to see in the future. If you have any questions about this content, please post them below and I will reply. My channel is about make money online, online entrepreneurship, affiliate marketing, digital internet marketing, and that's the niche that this channel is about. I like to help beginners in affiliate marketing that want to get to the online entrepreneurship and live that laptop lifestyle. All right, so let's get on with today's video. If you're interested in Builderall, there's a link in the description, top of the description. All right, so let's get started. What is Builderall? I talk about this in many of my videos, but for anybody new here, Builderall is an all-in-one marketing platform for digital online marketers. Basically, that's it, right? So you can build websites, blogs, sales funnels, have an autoresponder, do webinars, edit videos, make presentations, so much stuff, and you can build a business with it. So not only can you do all that, you can also be an affiliate for Builderall and make a business of it. Now, you don't have to do that, and I'm going to go over what all this means. All right. So as an affiliate marketer, if you're beginning in this niche and you are totally confused what to do, these are three things that you must need to be a successful marketer. You're going to need a sales funnel builder, you're going to need an autoresponder, and you're going to need a domain name. All right, so those are three things that you're going to need no matter what, point blank, period. All right, so even if you need the minimal stuff, that's what you're going to need, period. You can get ClickFunnels, $97 a month, $297 a month if you want to add their autoresponder. You can get GetResponse for your autoresponder. That's going to cost you anywhere from $15 to $100 a month. You can get a domain hosting. You can get your domain name from like GoDaddy and get hosting. It's going to cost you about $140, $180 a year. And those are three tools right there. That's not including, you still need to figure out WordPress and build out your WordPress site. You're still going to have to figure out how to use all this stuff, right? Builderall can offer all that in one low fee of $49.90 as a business builder. So you can also be an affiliate, and if you get one of your friends to purchase Builderall, you get 100% commission on your first sale. So you make your money back. So that's what I would recommend you do as a beginner affiliate marketer. And here is why I say that with Builderall. All right. So Builderall is a good platform for somebody coming in that don't already have all these tools. Now, if you're somebody that's seasoned and you already use ClickFunnels and you have a list of 10,000 people and you have a huge following on YouTube, then Builderall may not be for you. I mean, it may be, but you already have the tools in place that you're already using. You already have your website, your blog going. You already have ClickFunnels probably set up, or lead pages, or whatever it is that you're using to set up your sales funnels, this may not be for you. That's my honest opinion for Builderall. Now, Builderall, who it is for, is people coming into this niche and want to get into affiliate marketing and don't have any idea how to market and are confused about which tools they need. This platform offers all of it. It's going to give you the training you need. It's going to turn you into a seasoned affiliate marketer in about 90 days time frame, right? Affiliate marketing is not a get rich quick scheme. All right. So if you're thinking you're going to get rich quick off affiliate marketing, then you might as well just shut this video, go look for something else, because there is no such thing. You're going to be chasing that dragon for a long time. Trust me, I've been there. There is no get rich quick scheme. All right. So what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to learn these tools. You're going to have to learn how to market, learn how to write copy, learn how to build sales funnels, learn how to drive traffic to your offers. And what Builderall does is it allows you to get that training while you're using their tools, and it allows you to become an affiliate of their product. So while you're learning the tool, you can affiliate their product. You can learn how to build your sales funnels. You can start building your web page, start building your list to drive traffic to your opt-in pages. And while you're doing all this, you're learning how to market. And Builderall has a 90-day challenge right now. So what they're doing is they're trying to get you to the $2,000 a month mark in 90 days, right? So they're going to give you all the training you need to become a marketer, online marketer. Now, guys, this is pretty powerful, because when you first come in, you're going to be so overwhelmed because you just want to make money. But it's in reality, it doesn't work that way, right? So they're going to set you up so you can reach success and make that first sale as fast as possible. So you come in, you join this 90-day challenge, and I'm going to show you that here in a second. And this is why I think Builderall is a great product for beginners in affiliate marketing. Now, like I said, my honest opinion, if you're a seasoned marketer, then this product is probably not for you. All right, plain and simple. If you already have all the tools in place, then why are you going to come to this tool and move all your stuff to it, right? Now, is it a good tool to market? Yeah, it's a good tool to sell and market. But as an affiliate marketer in the beginning stages where you don't have all this stuff, this is a great place to start because it's inexpensive and it has everything you need and it works. It's pretty simple and it's got all the training you need, and it sets you up to succeed. And that's what makes this so powerful, right? I mean, you can see how powerful it is. Look, it already has integrations to things like JVZoo, has Shopify. All right, so if you already have PayPal, ClickBank, Fusionsoft, SendLane, Shopify, Mailing Boss, Mailchimp. So Mailing Boss is their autoresponder. I use Mailing Boss and I also use GetResponse because I already had a GetResponse count. And you know, once you have a couple thousand email, it gets confusing to start switching over. So I do have subscribers growing in my Mailing Boss, and I also have them in GetResponse, right? So that's one way I'm doing it, and that's just because I already had a GetResponse account. Now, before I got into Builderall, I was building funnels with WordPress, right? And while that works, it's not real simple, and it's all you're all over the place, right? And here you can do it all in one platform, and it's very simple, and they got the training. I love Builderall. If I was in a beginning into this affiliate marketing niche, if I would have just got this a year and a half ago, 2 years ago, I would have been in heaven, right? Because all this is all in one place. But I didn't. I found it just a little less than a month ago, and it's a great tool, and I just want to share that with you guys, right? And I'm not here to just sell this thing. I'm giving you an honest review that this may not be for the seasoned affiliate marketer, but if you are a beginner in this niche, then this is the product that you want. It's cheap. It's only $49 a month, $50 a month, guys. You can earn money with that, and it's recurring residual income. All right. So, and the best part is you're going to learn how to become a marketer. So if you use this for 3 months, 6 months, and decide, you know what, this isn't for me, then you understand how to build the fundamentals about how to build a sales funnel, the fundamentals of how to build an autoresponder, how to write copy. You'll have all that in place and drive traffic, paid advertisements. You'll understand all that, right? And you can move to any platform you want after that. You could keep Builderall and then promote other stuff. You can sign up for an high ticket affiliate marketing program and start making the real money online. Of course, selling these small ticket products isn't going to get you there fast, but you got to have that understanding, that fundamentals, because if you are beginning in affiliate marketing and you sign up for a high ticket offer, you just spent a couple grand on this program and then you don't understand how to promote it. That's why this is so powerful. It's going to train you how to do that. So when you do get to that point in your life, you can start making money as quick as possible. All right. So what is Builderall? Builderall is, in my opinion, built for the beginner and the online marketing niche. All right. It's also built for the local business that may not have a website, autoresponder, sales funnel set up, and that they want to use it. So this would be for that solution, right? They have a 990 solution, but that's just website. And I honestly, I think that's, if you're just getting this piece, then it's not even worth it because it's just a website builder, and who really cares? This is going to give you the autoresponder, the website builder, the sales funnel, allow you to connect all your domains. This, you can only connect one domain, right? You can connect up to 15 in this one. So for $29.90 a month, if you were a business owner, this would be a perfect solution for you if you wanted to do it all yourself. All right. So if I was Joe Schmo Flooring Company and I wanted to build out a website and start doing some ads or give away some free material and wanted an opt-in page and start gathering emails and build my list, then this is the product that I would purchase. Now, if I'm an affiliate, somebody trying to get into affiliate marketing or the online digital niche, then this is the product I'd want, because this is the product that allows you to become an affiliate, does the training for you, does all this stuff to get you up to the point where you're actually making money as an affiliate marketer. You can start going to ClickBank and start promoting products. You can go to JVZoo and start promoting products. You can go to you can start using it for Shopify, whatever you want. Guys, this is why it's so powerful, right? And it's pretty cheap. If you made 3 sales your first month, you'd have the next 3 months paid for. And you can learn by going into the back office of Builderall. And I'm going to show you real quick what I'm talking about. So in the back office of Builderall, when you log into Builderall, you're going to get access to everything from day one, even if you sign up for this free 7-day trial. So for the first 3 days, first 7 days, it's free, right? So you can go in and for 7 days, you can go hard on the first 7 days and never spend a penny, make a sale, sign up, and then you never even spent a dime with Builderall, right? So that's what makes this so cool, right? So I'm going to show you something real quick. They have a training. So you log into Builderall and you come into trainings under your Builderall business and go to basic. And I've shown this a couple times on other videos, but this is what makes it powerful to me, in my honest opinion, for the beginner affiliate marketer, right? So I'm Joe Schmo, dad of 40, looking to get into affiliate marketing because I just want to make some extra income, maybe an extra $1,000 a month, right? I don't know where to start. I see all this stuff about ClickFunnels, lead pages, WordPress, GoDaddy, uh, GetResponse, or SendLane, or hey, where do I start? I just want to promote something. What is this? Facebook ads, Google ads, YouTube ads, solo ads. It's like there's so much, right? This is going to break it down for you, teach you, and train you how to do all that stuff. You can look and see real quick. Look at all this stuff it's going to teach you in your first night. This is just the first lesson first 15 lessons of the level 1. So there's 3 levels of this, right? Level 1 is to get you to 3 sales as fast as possible. So it's going to teach you all this stuff, how to track people on Facebook, YouTube, Quora, how to get paid traffic to your site, how to promote the 90-day challenge. Whatever it is, you're going to learn how to become an affiliate marketer in the first 30 days. You're going to become an affiliate marketer. You're going to learn by the time that 30 days is over, you're going to know how to build a funnel. You're going to know how to drive traffic. You're going to know how to build that email list. You're going to know how to write copy and start creating content that you can share with people. Also, what makes this platform pretty cool is you can also build a platform to create training courses, right? Like this. You can create, this is built on Builderall, and you can do this on yourself with a training course. Not only that, I will give you a free email marketing training course, and when you do sign up for Builderall. So you get this plus an email marketing course that's very powerful, right? It tells you all about email marketing. All right, so this is all I wanted to talk about. I don't want to go too much in the weeds here because I can talk about Builderall probably for an hour, and I don't want to spend an hour talking about Builderall. I just wanted to give you an opinion of where I think Builderall is powerful for the beginner affiliate marketer. And honestly, I don't think it's built for the seasoned affiliate marketer in the digital online entrepreneur lifestyle niche. All right. So, again, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Hit that subscribe button. If you're not new to my channel and haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button. Give me a like. Give me some comments. Let me know what you like, what you don't like to see in the future. If you have any questions about this content, post it below in the comments and I will reply. Now, if you're interested in joining the 90-day challenge, if you're new to affiliate marketing, my wish to you is that you take massive action, you start today, and you start to become a digital online entrepreneur so you can live that laptop lifestyle and get some freedom in your life. All right, guys, peace out, and I'll see you tomorrow on my next video.